Water leaks in an RV can be costly, frustrating, and time-wasting problems for owners, dealers, and manufacturers. Roof repairs are a big challenge in the RV industry, but thankfully, H.B. Fuller offers the best solutions to tackle the toughest RV market needs. EternaBond tapes from H.B. Fuller are the industry standard for OEM and aftermarket roof tapes. EternaBond is a large family of tapes that utilize the same patented, bulletproof MicroSealant technology to ensure permanent leak-free results. And no, it's not butyl tape. EternaBond offers a variety of backings ranging from white, black, or tan PVC, aluminum foil, cloth, or double-sided with no backing. EternaBond offers a solution for any new roof design or aftermarket problem. When it comes to applications, EternaBond tapes will bond to virtually anything: wood, aluminum, plastics, EPDM, TPO, fiberglass. EternaBond bonds to all of them. Just follow these 3 easy steps for perfect results. Clean the surface, peel and stick the EternaBond, apply pressure to activate the sealant. That's it. You're done. Whether implementing into your manufacturing process or using for repairs, don't just trust any roof sealant tape. Trust the original and the most reliable roof sealant product on the market. Connect today with your H.B. Fuller representative or email us at transportation@hbfuller.com. At H.B. Fuller, we collaborate with our customers to solve the transportation industry's most complex problems. As your total solutions provider, our expertise is your advantage.